For our Hammerhead Shark, we'll be using 3 balloons. We've got a Metallotex Fashion Turquoise 160, inflated almost to the end. I've got maybe a 1/2 to 3/4 inch nipple left on it. I've got a 260 white, inflated, leaving about 3 inches on the end there. And then another Metallotex Fashion Turquoise 260, also with about a 3-inch tail on the end of it. We're going to start with our turquoise, make about a 2 to 2.5 inch bubble. And we're going to make 1/2 inch bubble, make that into a pinch twist. Make sure it's soft a little bit. And we're going to go back and make about a 10 to 11 inch bubble here. Make a 1/2 inch bubble, make it into a pinch twist. Another 1/2 inch bubble, make that into a pinch twist as well. And then we're going to come back up alongside with another bubble the same size as this one. And twist that into that pinch twist at the front, coming out on the opposite side of the other piece. Now we need another piece the same size as this one. And our excess we'll just break off, we don't need it. Tie it off, and then trim this really close. Now we're going to switch over to our 160, and what we want to do is make about a 4-inch bubble here, make a really small 1/2 inch bubble and make that into a pinch twist. Now we're going to come grab the other end, the nipple end, give it a gentle squeeze so it's kind of soft. Grab that nipple, twist it around that little pinch twist there, creating a rather large loop. Now we're going to take this loop, and you want to find about a little more than 1/3 of a round of it on one side. Bring that point down to the ear twist and twist that in, secure it in place. So now we have 2 loops. Now we're going to take the second loop, that larger loop that we've just left over, find the middle of it, bring it again down to the pinch twist, divide it into 2 loops, and then take one of those around to secure it in place. So we now have 3 loops. This will be our dorsal fin, or the back fin, and these will be the 2 pectoral fins that hang down below. On a dorsal fin, we're going to come about 1/3 on one side and twist that. Just shape it just a little bit to give it that shark fin sort of look. Then we're going to take this, we're going to grab our body we made earlier, and come up to the front where these 2 protrusions are, where it looks like a T. Twist into that pinch twist there, and then turn and stick our dorsal fin up through the back, like that. Then we're going to take our white, let's trim that excess off just a little bit, get clean. We'll make about a 6 to a 7 inch bubble, and at the back where those 2 pinch twists are, we're going to twist into that, go around to lock it in place really good. Then you're going to let along the body, squeeze it so it's good and soft. So you get up to the front here, and then twist in around that front pinch twist. Now we're going to make a little small 1/2 inch bubble with this piece that we're working with. Make that into a pinch twist underneath that one there. And what's left over, we're going to come back to the back, twist into that back double pinch twist again. And if you have some left over, tie a knot in it, trim it off. And we want to position these 2 in the back, and our ear twist where they're running the same direction as the body. Shape these back fins just a little bit. And we come back to our front, position the white ear twist, like that. And you want these 2 ear twists, the white and the green one, where they're perpendicular to each other. The green is going up and down, the white is going horizontally, forcing these 2 to stick out like that. That's giving us our face. Now we're going to put some eyes out on the end of these. Draw a little mouth on here. And we have a hammerhead shark.